Well, we're in the garage today, and as you can see, this is not the most organized or well set up shop that you're ever going to encounter. As garages go, it's cluttered, and as a workshop that I'm using it for as well, it's even worse. So I'm going to work on decluttering this garage today, and why don't you guys come along with me. Hopefully you'll enjoy what I'm about to do, and see if we can't make this a more functional shop so that I can work and make better content for you, my viewers. All right, here we go. So here's where we are after all the work we did. It's the next day because I got tired last night. Moving everything around, just trying to get it organized. But I really feel like we have a lot more space in here now. Now granted, we're missing the two small quads that normally sit right here, and that's okay. But this whole area, much cleaner. Moved that bench from the back wall and moved the bench that's there to the back wall. I feel like this is a lot cleaner, and we actually have some more stuff coming in here, which is part of the reason why we had to start moving things around. But definitely well organized in comparison. This cabinet here, I'm going to start breaking down what's in there, screws and things of that nature, and we're going to put into these organizers. Got these from Home Depot. They're just the Husky brand. They're stackable and they click together, which is really actually kind of nice. They're about $10 a piece. I'm going to start with two. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more than this, but I'm going to start with these two and see how far that gets me. I plan on labeling each one for size for the screws that really matter, and probably going to put some bolts and nuts in there as well. We'll get it all labeled so it's organized and we know what we have. So part of the reason why we are reorganizing everything is, one, obviously to make space, and two, being organized is much better as a working space, and three, because of this. That's right, we got ourselves a big boy toolbox, and this thing's massive. It's massive. It's huge. It's a Husky brand from Home Depot, and this one has a nice lid function, little LED light strip. It's magnetic, so you can move it wherever you want. It's got a magnetic wall to throw tools on. Comes with padding to place your tools. Comes with a power strip with USB chargers on both sides, actually, which is pretty fantastic. This is a 15 drawer set. This one in particular I really like, because this drawer here has this kind of wooden workstation that also doubles as a drawer with a hiding spot. So now we can actually start putting my tools away in a proper single location. Part of getting organized is just putting everything in its own place and having a place for everything. And I'm looking forward to getting into this thing. I've got to say, I'm not really sure if I want the toolbox on that side and the workbench on that side. The workbench does have some hooks down here that would be handy, and it's got some electrical sockets as well to have available. However, the big handle to move it around on the toolbox is over on this side. Definitely have room to keep them apart. You know what? Both of them move pretty easily, so it's not something I have to decide today. So here we go, right here. Great place for it to sit for now. Again, we're going to be emptying this out, but right now it's out of the way. You can still open the cabinet and still get into the freezer that we have hiding back there behind the whiteboard. And look at that. Hey, thanks a lot for sticking with me through this. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's kind of find it satisfying to watch things get cleaned up and moved around and become better than what they were. And if you like that kind of thing, let me know in the comments. If you didn't, that's fine. Let me know that as well. But just bringing you along with me for the ride. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at No Gears, No Glory. All right, see you later.